Yes, yes, we are back. We are back. We are back now. We are back. Right. See here. मी काय म्हणत होतो तुम्हाला, मी काय म्हणत होतो की हे विनाइल क्लोराइड. सो विनाइल क्लोराइड. ओके. हा, सर्वांना दिसतं का? Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Yes. 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 Okay. So I was saying vinyl chloride, polyvinyl chloride. So n number of times vinyl chloride घेतला, you will get polyvinyl chloride. हा डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो, n मॉलिक्यूल्स ऐड हो जाते हैं उसमें, तो विनाइल क्लोराइड का पॉलीमर, I will just I have started now. Swaraj, just I have started. There was a network issue. Okay, now here vinyl chloride, polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Yes, lecture started. Yes, we have started. Please join. All right. ठीक है. So this is, हा डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतो, C बॉन्ड C, H2HCl. This is n times. We call it as PVC. असं म्हणतात बघा, PVC pipes. Are you getting? That is, पूर्वी रेडिओवरती आम्ही लहान होतो त्यावेळी ऍड असायची. फिनोलेक्सनं आणलं पाणी. Yes, what was deducted from our syllabus? Can you repeat? Yes. Very good. So polymer. So just I am giving you the example of polymer. Just again the same thing we will repeat. So vinyl chloride, polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipe म्हणतात बघा. ग्रामीण भागात, if you go to rural areas, they will say PVC म्हणतात, PVC pipe. फिनोलेक्सनं आणलं पाणी, शेत पिकलं सोन्यावानी. That is, they say, are you getting? Yes. All right. Now we said physical, organic, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and biochemistry. Are you getting this? All right. Now, am I visible and audible to all of you? Let me see. Let me check now. Let me check. Some people have got their issues. Okay. Now I am clear here. Some people have got, it is their problem. Check your net connection. Okay. Yes. Very nice. ठीक आहे. Now, काल आपण काय केलं? The classification of matter on the basis of chemical classification. Chemically आपण मॅटर क्लासिफाय करत होतो. बरोबर आहे? So we say in the chemical classification of matter, we have discussed about elements. तुम्हाला आठवत असेल तर, if you remember well, we said matter or substance is divided into two. That is this one, pure substance and mixture. pure substance and mixture. These pure substance are further classified as elements, 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 compounds, elements, compounds. And yesterday, काल आपण elements definition दिलं. The purest form of matter, which cannot be split into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical process, that was an element. Now here elements are further classified. Elements are further classified as metals, non-metals, metalloids, dhatu, adhatu, dhatu sadrushya. Means what? Elements are further classified as metals, non-metals, and then last one, that is metalloids. Are you getting? Are you following this? Yes. Now let us say what is a metal, or how do you define metal? Okay, how do you define metal? What happens, काय होतं माहितीये का, की ज्या वेळी आपण मेटल्स वगैरे डिफाइन करतो, वी गो ऑन डिफाइनिंग इट फिजिकली. म्हणजे ते हार्ड असतं, त्याला शायनी अपीअरन्स आहे, लस्टर आहे. आणि एखादा मेटल तुम्ही असा हॅमर केला, साऊंड कसा येतो है ना, व्हायब्रेशनल साऊंड असं. इफ यू हिट द what you can school bell, how it sounds, this is a sonorous sound. पण काय होतं, ज्यावेळी मेटल्स तुम्ही डिफाइन करता फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज वरून, every time there is an exception. आपण म्हणालो metals are hard solids असं म्हटलो, but there is an exception of mercury, है ना. So if we say metals are lustrous, iodine has got luster, which is a non-metal. So for every physical definition तिथे exception आहे. There is an exception in every physical definition of metals, non-metals and metalloids. Therefore, what we have to do, somebody is asking, sir, please repeat. It is recorded, you can check it out. Again I will repeat, no doubt. Okay, so here metals we have to define not physically, chemically. केमिस्ट्रीच्या भाषेतून मेटल्सचं डेफिनेशन कसं कराल तुम्ही? केमिस्ट्रीच्या भाषेत मेटलचं डेफिनेशन कसं कराल? Metals are the elements which lose electrons and form positively charged ion. See, metals. Hey, yes, so Rajvardhan, you are right. Rajvardhan Deshmukh, you are right. Diamond is such a non-metal. Diamond is nothing but carbon. Is such a non-metal which is hard. But the exception झालं ना. Therefore, you should define metals and non-metals in terms of chemical properties. बघूया. What are metals? Metals are, आता बघा, प्युअर सबस्टन्सेस मध्ये आपण एलिमेंट बघितलं. एलिमेंट्स मध्ये metals, non-metals, metalloids. Let us see. Let me define now metals. Metals. So how do we define metals? Elements These are elements. Huh? Elements which form positively charged elements which form positively charged ion. See. Elements which form positively charged ion by the loss of electrons. By the loss of electrons. Are you getting? Yes. Elements which form positively charged ion. Elements which form positively charged ion. Elements which form positively charged ion by the loss of electrons. By the loss of positively charged ion. So ions, there are two types. Kaal apan bollo. That is, positively charged ion is a cation. He bag, cation, positive charge. Cation. And negatively charged ion is not a dog ion. It is an anion. Anion. Okay. So here, जो एलिमेंट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन देते हैं और देने के बाद उनमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज आता है, सो दोज एलिमेंट्स आर कॉल्ड एज मेटल्स, है ना. पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयन, दैट इज cation, are called as elements. Means, sir, it is clear that metals are electropositive. Metals are electropositive. जे इलेक्ट्रॉन देतात आणि पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज आयन तयार करतात, those are called as electropositive. Metals are electropositive, isn't it? Yes. Metals are electropositive म्हणालो. आणि काल आपण जे पिरियॉडिक टेबलची एक ओळख, yesterday we saw introduction of the periodic table. Yesterday what we saw? The introduction of periodic table, है ना. So what? Yes, introduction of periodic table. In that I asked you which is the most Vicari element, most electronegative element. That was Mr. Fakir, that is fluorine. And which is most electropositive element? Helena ruby say cesium or cesium, है ना. Yes. But francium, हेलिना का रूबी से फ्रेंडशिप मध्ये फ्रान्सियम वॉज इन द बॉटम, बट तो इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह नाही आहे असं लक्षात नाही आहे. म्हणजे काय? ऍक्च्युअली it is very much unstable. Francium is very much unstable. And yesterday I told you, it is born and it is destroyed. It dies. आणि गंमत म्हणून सांगितली, कुछ ऐसे भी जीवन है जो जिए ही नहीं, जिनको जीने से पहले ही मौत आ गई. You are right. Radioactive. Much contribution in the field of radioactivity is Madame Curie and her husband Pierre Curie. They contributed a lot to radioactivity. You know, एकाच घरात 4 Nobel Prize family. Madame Curie got Nobel Prize. Her husband Pierre Curie, they shared Nobel Prize for the discovery of thorium. And then Irene Juliet, Curie's daughter and son-in-law, त्यांचा जावई, the son-in-law, he also got the Nobel Prize. Like this, 4 Nobel Prizes in single family in the field of radiations and radioactivity. All right. So here, elements which form positively charged ion by the loss of electrons, we call such elements as metals, and metals. And you know, metals are electropositive. Metals are electropositive. Now, let us take some examples of metals and how they lose electrons and what is the criteria of losing electrons. म्हणजे मेटलच का इलेक्ट्रॉन देतात आणि नॉन मेटल का इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतात. लेट अस अंडरस्टँड बाय सिंपल थिअरी. त्यानंतर बरेचसे हायर थेरीज तुम्हाला मिळणार आहेत. केमिकल बॉन्डिंग यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न. केमिकल बॉन्डिंग और नेचर ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड, है ना. सो हियर लेट अस स्टार्ट गिविंग वन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ मेटल. And this example is as old as hills. That is sodium. Sodium. What is the atomic number of Mr. Sodium? Let us now count yesterday's. Yesterday. कालचा ट्रिक आपण बघूया. याची isn't it? LIB, BCNO of neon, BCNO of neon, LIB, BCNO of neon, Narayan, that is 11, atomic number 11. You are right, you are atomic number 11. Atomic number 11. So we write here 1, 2, 3. This is shell 1, gully number 1, gully number 1. 2, shell 2, gully number 2, 8 electrons. And 1. This is what we are writing till 10th standard. Till 10th standard. है ना. आता 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये एक वेगळी भाषा येणार आहे, जिथं आपण मुख्य शेल तर लिहितोच, त्या शेल मध्ये, त्या गलीमध्ये एक घर असतं, त्या घरात एक खोली असते, त्या खोलीत असतो इलेक्ट्रॉन. असं काहीतरी लिहायचं. हे बघा, गली नंबर 1, गली नंबर 1. And here yes, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. yes is subshell, असं काहीतरी लिहिणार आहे पुढं, अजून येणार आहे. So that is, this is just झलक दिखला. The new way to write the electronic configuration is coming. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 असं येणार आहे. तो नंतर बघूया. ओके. कालच आपण जस्ट सुरुवात केलेली आहे, म्हणजे मी कालच सुरुवात केलं. एकदम हाय डोस द्यायला नको, है ना. सो हियर 281, 281, है ना. सो व्हॉट इज द क्रायटेरिया टू लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. शेवटच्या शेल मध्ये तुम्ही मला सांगा, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉनचा निम्मा किती. हाफ ऑफ 8 हाऊ मच. 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो इफ सपोज there are less than 4 electrons, if there are less than 4 electrons, that means 1, 2, 3, it can be easily lost. It can be easily lost, है ना. So 4 पेक्षा कमी इलेक्ट्रॉन असतील तर देऊन टाकणार. 4 किंवा 4 पेक्षा जास्त इलेक्ट्रॉन असतील तर sharing or accepting electrons will be there. Or accepting electrons will be there. Are you getting or no? What is the rule? Tell me, what is the rule? What is the rule? 8 चा निम्मा 4, 4 पेक्षा कमी इलेक्ट्रॉन शेवटच्या शेल मध्ये. इन द लास्ट शेल, अगर लास्ट शेल में कितने अरे साहब कितने, लास्ट शेल में अगर 4 से कम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया जाएगा. और if they are more than 4 or more than 4, 4 or more than 4, they will have share it option. They will share or they will accept electron. They will share or they will accept electron. Isn't it? Yes. So 281 एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हा देऊन टाकतो. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिला आणि दिल्यानं Na+ देणे असं राईट हँड देणे स्वाहा. सो Na++ E-, Na++ E-. Are you getting this? So this is we call it as sodium has lost electrons. Sodium has lost electrons. One lesson is there, I remember. Redox reaction म्हणून 11th ला लेसन आहे. ज्या प्रोसेसमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन दिले जातात, the process in which electrons are lost, it is called as oxidation. And the process in which electrons are gained, it is called as reduction. The process in which electrons are lost is oxidation, and the process in which electrons are gained, it is reduction. That is, we are studying in redox reaction. रिडक्शन आणि ऑक्सिडेशन सांगायची वेगवेगळी भाषा आहे ना. कुठलं? ऍडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सिजन, रिमूव्हल ऑफ हायड्रोजन. दिस इज ऑल्सो द वे टू एक्सप्लेन रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. पण ठीक आहे, आता काय मला दाखवायचं आहे, हाऊ मेटल्स आर इलेक्ट्रो पॉझिटिव्ह. हाऊ मेटल्स आर गोइंग टू बी इलेक्ट्रो पॉझिटिव्ह. लेट अस सी. नाउ नारायण मगाशी mg if you write atomic number 12. Mg is atomic number 12. So it is 2 electrons are lost by magnesium. 2 electrons are lost by magnesium. Why? Magnesium has 2, 8, 2. It will lose 2 electrons and form dipositive ion. It will form what? Dipositive ion. Very good. It will form dipositive ion. So Mg plus 2 E minus. बघा, दिल्यानं वाढत. Are you getting? So if you give, it increases. What? Positivity, positive charge. अच्छा देना चाहिए लोगों को, है ना. So आप हमेशा याद रखो. सी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स है, बहुत अच्छा कमेंट करते हैं, बहुत ही उनको उम्दा लगता है. दे फील इंथुजियास्टिक, है ना, बिकॉज केमिस्ट्री इज कलरफुल. दे फील फंटास्टिक. बट yesterday some people were, it happens whenever we join online, some foolish people are writing some comments. Are you getting or no? Unnecessary comments, anything they are doing, है ना. So remember, if you want to be big, think big. आपको अगर अच्छा बनना है तो खुद की लाइन बड़ी बनाओ, दूसरों की लाइन मत हटाओ. खुद की लाइन बड़ी बननी चाहिए, है ना. So whenever good comments are there, I am very much happy. Whenever unnecessary comments are there, I don't take it, because those are not meant for me. And I always say, always believe, खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तेरी वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. Are you getting? तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तेरी वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. जो तुझसे लिपटी है बेड़िया, न समझ इसे वस्त्र. जो तुझसे लिपटी है बेड़िया, न समझ इसे वस्त्र तू. ये बेड़िया पिघाल के बना दे इसके शस्त्र तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है. Definitely we are going to provide notes. Some people are asking, yes, we will give homework, we will give notes, everything is there. Okay, just मैंने शुरुआत तो की है, right? Now here, so here we will, sodium is giving electron, magnesium is giving electron. Now aluminium will give electrons. Aluminium, let us see aluminium. Al, atomic number 13. So gully number 1, 2 electron. Gully number 2, 8 electrons. Gully number 3, 3 electrons. So what is the rule? है ना. 4 पेक्षा कमी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स देणार. आणि दिल्यानं वाढतंय. आमची आजी म्हणायची, दिल्यानं वाढतो. Give it, give it, give it. You will get back. You will get back 100%. 100%. Okay. So here 2, 8, 3. 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन देऊन टाकायचं. Al plus plus plus, or you can write Al3 plus Al3 plus 3E minus 3E minus. So हे बघा, mono positive, एकच positive charge, that is a mono positive ion, cation. Di-positive, magnesium is di-positive ion. Aluminium is tri-positive ion. So now you understood what are metals. Metals are electropositive. They lose electrons and form positively charged ions and form positive, called as cations. Now, non-metals. Okay, non-metals. Okay, how are non-metals and what non-metals are going to do, that we will check in the next part. And I am really sorry, today we couldn't connect. Here it is raining, it is very humid, so there is a problem. So please, उसका हम क्या करेंगे, एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर लेके बाद में उसको कवर करेंगे. So tomorrow I am coming with what are non-metals, metalloids and compounds. आणि मग आपण जाऊया law of chemical combination कडे. We will go towards laws of chemical combination. So because you are waiting for the next lecture, okay, you are waiting for the next lecture, so we will continue with that. All right, so let me know while going, what are non-metals? Can you tell me what are non-metals? Okay, what are non-metals? The elements which lose electrons, the elements which gain electrons and form negatively charged ion or anion are called as non-metals. Tomorrow's homework is you have to write the atomic numbers, electronic configuration and atomic mass of first 30 elements. Okay, first 30 elements. All right, what is the homework? You have to write the atomic number, atomic mass and electronic configuration of the first 30 elements. So keep enjoying chemistry, keep doing chemistry. Tomorrow we will start at sharp 8 o'clock and pending things we will discuss. Thank you very much.